to be paradise, and then this happens. It doesn't make sense. I'm on the other side of the world, and I don't know what to do. I am not budging until I find out who killed my sister.
Brand new drama, The Ridge. Watch from Tuesday on BBC iPlayer.
Bloodshed, Tragedy and Leonardo DiCaprio now on BBC One Scotland, and Baz Luhrmann's explosive update of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet.